Hello everyone, welcome to analytical classes. Today's video is about truncate function. Truncate function in Excel is used to truncate or cut off a number of specified number of decimal places without rounding. So what it does, it removes the decimal numbers. So the syntax of the function is trunc and number comma number digits. So number is what you want to truncate, the original figure, and num digits, the number of decimal places you want to keep. Means if you want to keep 2 decimal places in the result, you have to say 2. If you don't want any decimal, you have to say 0. Let's see it in the example. This is our number 1245.56768. So let's truncate it to decimal 0 places, means we don't want any decimal places. So we will say this and just enter, and it will give us 1245. So not giving any parameters in the num digit section will automatically assume that you don't want any decimal. It will take it as 0. Next, coming to if you want 2 decimal places, then what we can do, and comma 2. So now it will keep 56. It will omit 768. It will keep only 2 decimal places in the result. Next, coming to negative num digits. So in case you want to remove the decimal places but also want to remove the tens or ones places, let's see how. So let's assume I am giving -1. It will say 1240, means it has removed the ones place in your number, means 5 is omitted, it has given it as 0. Let's assume -2, it will say 1200. So in this way also you can remove the numbers at the ones, tens, 100 or 1000 as per your requirement. So truncate function cuts off the numbers. It doesn't round off as you have seen in the previous examples. It removes decimal without rounding. Example, say for IDs or codes, etc. It control number formatting in financial models and truncate large value to simplify reports. Code is in lakhs, crores, and you just want to summarize it in lakhs only, not going to ones digit. So you can truncate the numbers. So if you find this video helpful, if so, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.